This video was created by Mustafa Musa at Ibrosoft International Development Foundation Headquarters Life Camp, Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nigeria. Vibrant students going to school on Monday at about 7:25 a.m. Mr. Smith in his office with Techie Tom but is overwhelmed with things he has to cover before closing time on Monday. Techie Tom is relaxed because he has completed all his responsibilities since Friday. The secret why Techie Tom feels relaxed is that he is using technology to simplify his job while Mr. Smith is still using traditional method to collect student records such as assignment, exams and attendance. Techie Tom, who is also the teacher's assistant, does everything digitally and does not use manual methods of record keeping and suggested why Mr. Smith would not adopt the same method to simplify his work. He has over 150 students in 2 classes only, SS2 and SS3, and he should record their attendances, mark assignments, tests and exams all manually, which is very time-consuming. Sarah, SS3 class monitor, walks in aiming to collect their test and exam grades. However, Mr. Smith said it is not ready. Techie Tom suggested using Microsoft Teams to avoid disappointing students and said Microsoft Teams has limitless features that can support teaching and learning. Sir, may I suggest using Microsoft Teams? Microsoft Teams is a workspace for real-time collaboration and communication, meetings, file and app sharing, all in one place. All in the open and accessible to everyone. It can be used to track students' assignments and attendance. It provides advanced filling system which helps teachers sort their files more easily by grouping and sequencing lesson plans and sharing them with educators. It also helps with easy and seamless communication between students and teachers regarding assignments. Wow, that is a wonderful suggestion. Thank you very much. You're welcome, sir. Registering for Microsoft Teams. Go to products.office.com/Microsoft-Teams and click Sign up for free. Type in your email address and click Next. You'll be prompted to select how you want to use Microsoft Teams, either for school, for friends and family, or for work. Select for school and click Next. Then you'll be asked to create an account with the email address you entered. Select Create Account and set a password you'd like to use for your account and click Next. Type in the code sent to your email to verify it and click Next. Fill in the final personal details and click Set up Teams. Choose how to open and use Teams, either by downloading the app or opening it via the website. Sir, I have registered for Microsoft Teams. Very good, fantastic. Sarah opens Microsoft Teams, logs in, and the interface welcomes her. Sarah successfully joins Mr. Smith's virtual class and extends a warm greeting to him, Techie Tom, and the other students. Techie Tom explains the key functions and various menus on the navigation bar to the class. First is the Activity tab, which is at the top of the navigation bar, which is used to view a list on everything going on in Microsoft Teams. Secondly is the Chat tab, which is used for communicating with either a person or a group simultaneously. Thirdly, we have the Teams tab. A team is simply a collection of people, content, and also tools based on a particular project or group. To add a new team, click on the Teams icon and navigate to the bottom where you see an icon that says Join or Create a New Team. You can create a new team from scratch or from an existing group or team. There are multiple templates that you can start a new team from depending on the purpose of your team. You can choose to make your team public or private and add a description and on Create Team. You can add members, edit the team, and even delete it when you're done with the project and have no further use for it. Within a team, we have features called channels, which help to organize posts and conversation in a team. You can join teams by typing in a code sent by the creator of a team. Next up is the Assignment and Grades tab, which enables teachers to assign tasks, work, or quizzes to students. They can also track class and individual student progress in this tab. Then we have the Calendar icon, which shows everything that is scheduled on Teams. You can also start a meeting through the Calendar tab by clicking on the New Meetings button at the top right corner of the tab. Next is the Calls tab, where you can communicate with other people in your team or contacts. You can view your call history, look through your contacts, and even listen to voicemails. Lastly, we have the Files tab, where you can see all of the files you have access to within Microsoft Teams. Sarah checks her on the Microsoft Teams calendar while Techie Tom explains how easily she can submit her work after completion. Students happily interacting and learning because learning has been made easier and fun through the use of Microsoft Teams. Congratulations! You can now use Microsoft Teams, making teaching and learning easier.